touch the sound.
What's up mga idol? Nandito tayo ngayon sa
And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people leaving. Talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dares disturb the sound of silence. Fool said, "Ah, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might reach you. Play my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence."
Ito pa. Yan, tapos na. Board na lang kulang yan mga idol. Yan, makasunod na naman. Dito naman sa hallway.
Yan, para kakabit pa ni bago.
Oo. Ito na naman ang gagawin mga idol. Malapad pa. May isa pang kwarto dito. Yan ang susunod namin. Yung sa second floor matapos na eh. Yun na lang. Saka sa third floor, wala pa rin sa third floor. Pagsunod namin tapos dito, balik naman kami doon. Yan o, malapit na tapos.
Sige guys.
Okay, yun muna mga idol.
Guys.
Salamat!